What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to protect your Jeep. You got a Jeep, you off-road, do you take it around the world? This one goes everywhere and it needs some protection. So today I'm going to show you the best way to protect your Jeep. And the best way to do that is our Evolution ceramic coating. Now, if you want to protect your car, ceramic coating is an awesome way to get that protection, especially if you have a Jeep. This thing's so big, it doesn't even fit inside of our shop right now. So we're gonna detail it outside. And that's what the cool thing is about this ceramic coating is our Evolution ceramic coating is designed to be applied indoors, outdoors, in any condition. So it's a revolutionary product that makes detailing super easy to do for anybody. So if you got a Jeep, we know you Jeep lovers always park outside, you're always storing your rig outside, you might not have access to a garage, you might travel in this all the time, off-roading everywhere. So this is an easy way to ceramic coat your car on the go anywhere, whether you're detailing at a coin wash or whether you're detailing outdoors or if you're detailing in your garage, this is gonna work for it. So come in close, guys. I'm gonna show you how to apply the Evolution ceramic coating. Now, the cool things about ceramic coatings are they protect the car for up to a year and they work on all these surfaces. So here's how I like to ceramic coat a Jeep. So first I take my Evolution ceramic coating and I'm gonna spray it on the surface. And that's what I love about the Evolution ceramic coating is it's sprayable. So I take it on the surface and then I take a microfiber towel and I spread it on the surface. And I also spread it on the trim as well. A big problem with Jeeps are these trims, they fade, but this Evolution ceramic coating actually goes onto the trim and gives a really nice finish. Nice. Now, once we spread it on the surface, all we're gonna do is wait like 10 to 15 seconds for it to actually bond to the surface. Now, this is actually a quick bond ceramic coating and it's a 1-layer coating. So you only need to put 1 layer on and you're gonna give great protection. So now I'm gonna take a second microfiber towel and all I'm gonna do is just buff off and level down the coating. And that's really it. This is an easy way to protect the car. Why stress or bother with a coating that's difficult to use when you can just use the Evolution ceramic coating anywhere, anytime? Come over here, guys. I'm gonna show you how I do this door and how fast I can do it, including this trim right here. So I'm gonna take my ceramic coating, spray the surface. If this isn't like a sports car, like a Porsche or a smaller vehicle, I actually like to use an applicator pad to apply this, but on a big Jeep like this, I can actually just spray it all over the surface. So we'll spray it just like that. Just take a towel, spread it on the surface, and the SiO2 ceramic formula in this product just gives a killer look on that. We just spread it out with the microfiber towel, and we'll do this door as well. A little bit just goes a long way. A few sprays really goes a long way. And then I'm gonna grab my second towel and I'm just gonna go ahead and buff it off. It bonds instantly. And look at the shine that it's giving. Already the fender, the door, the mirror, it's giving like a really nice even finish that I like. And I really like the sprayable coating because all these surfaces right here, they're not flat. So on a Jeep, there's so much complex surfaces that if you are using an applicator pad or you're using a coating that has like a drip system, you might see a lot of them. I'll post a picture right here of the bottle. Some of these coatings, they just like very difficult to apply. I've been detailing for a long time and I just want ease of use. So our coating, when you spray it, it allows it to get in the door cracks, around all the emblems, on the plastic. Just a great product to use. Even this area right here, you're gonna wanna protect things like this step and this rocker guard. So let's go ahead and just take the coating and spray it on the rocker guard. And normally this would be a really hard thing to spread with an applicator pad, but let's just take our microfiber towel and just spread out the coating. And this is why I love this product for Jeeps and other off-road vehicles. So if you have like a G-Wagon or a Cayenne or any type of off-road vehicle, this is a great option. A lot of those vehicles have these like door hinges that are exposed parts, things that look rugged. They're very sharp lines. They're not smooth like most cars. So now we're on to the last panel, and this has glass and the top, so a lot of different surfaces here. So let's go ahead and show you guys how we use this coating. I love the sprayable coating on this. I'll set it on this huge wheel right here. These wheel and tires, huge wheels and tires. I think these are 40 inches tall, which is crazy. So let's take the coating, spread it. And this is gonna work on the glass too. So if you have glass, plastic, and look how it's making the top look. It's bringing back a nice even color to the top. There we go. And a good example is the glass. Look how you see it on the glass and it blended in. Do you see that? How it's like auto leveling? Look at that right there. Hope you guys got that. And it's doing the same thing over here, just going away, right? This is the coating actually instantly bonding to the surface, and then we're just going to take a microfiber and buff off any last streaks, right? It's crazy how you can actually see it in action, especially on like a glass surface like that. Yeah, man, just perfect. So we'll take our microfiber towel, buff it off. This is how easy ceramic coatings are now. Like, ceramic coatings have come a long way, and we've developed this coating for ease of use and durability all in one package. And now this Jeep is ready to go out into the wilderness, take it on your adventures. Even if you're a daily driver, ceramic coating is a great way to protect your vehicle. And if you want to pick up the Masterson's Evolution ceramic coating, let's come inside. I'll show you guys our store. So we have a full store over here. I'll show you guys our ceramic coating selection. We have ceramic coatings. We have Evolution ceramic auto wash. We have a bunch of different products to be able to make your car look great. I like to use the Evolution ceramic coating, but I also like to use the Evolution ceramic auto wash. So if you want to wash your vehicle and ceramic coat maintenance the product, you can also pick up the Evolution ceramic auto wash, and those are going to work in both situations. So guys, if you want to get your car ceramic coated or you want to take care of your Jeep, follow us on our website, mastersonswax.com. Check out our Evolution ceramic coating, and always visit our Masterson's Car Care factory stores for the best detailing supplies you can get at it. My name is Greg. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, keep on detailing.